Hello everyone, now we are going to solve the questions based on the effect of gyroscopic couple on naval ship. In the question it is given that for the turbine rotor of a ship mass 20,000 kilogram and radius of gyration is 0.75 meter, speed is 2000 rpm, clockwise when viewed from the front of the ship. Now this is important. Front of the ship is known as what? Bow. That means from the bow side you are looking the ship. The ship pitches harmonically with an amplitude of 10 degree and a time period of 20 seconds. Now this is an amplitude. Okay, amplitude directly given of 10 degree. In terms of degree it is given amplitude. So a time period of 20 seconds, the rotor is supported on the bearings 5 meter apart. The maximum gyroscopic couple during the rise of the ship. Okay, during the rise of the ship we have to calculate. Now we need to understand the pitching conditions. Pitching means if this is the bow, that means the front end of the ship, so it would be move like that. Okay, it will move up, it will move down. Basically this is the pitching. This is the pitching. Now amplitude means this from here to here, this angle is 10 degree. Okay, this is amplitude in terms of degree. So 10 degree amplitude is given and the time period is given 20 seconds. So if the time period is given, we can calculate the angular velocity because there is a simple harmonic motions. So angular velocity of SHM, we can calculate omega 1 is equal to 2 pi upon Tp, where Tp is the time period, that is 20 seconds, so that is 2 pi upon 20. When you calculate this, you will get the value of omega 1, that would comes out to be 0.314. Okay, this is radian per second, and phi is 10 degree. See, the phi can be given in the question in a different way also. Sometimes they will give you that the total angular displacement between two extreme position of the pitching. In that case, there will be a 20 degree value. But here it is saying that the ship pitches harmonically with an amplitude of 10 degrees, so it would be like that. This is half of the total angular displacement. Okay, so this is 10 degree and we need to convert into radian per second. So 10 multiply pi by 180, so you will get here 0.174 radian per second. Okay, now what is the formula for finding out the angular velocity of precision? Angular velocity of precision is denoted as omega p, and it is equal to phi omega 1. I am denoting omega 1 because it is not omega, it is omega 1 because omega we are going to consider the speed of the turbine rotor of the ship. Okay, but here omega 1 representing angular velocity of simple harmonic motions. So you just have to put the values and you will get here omega p would be equal to what? Phi is 0.174 multiply omega 1 is 0.314. So when you solve this, you will get the value of omega p, that would comes out to be 0.054 radian per second. This is the angular velocity of precision. Now if you want to calculate the gyroscopic couple, basically it is the maximum angular velocity, okay, or a maximum angular velocity of precision. So if you want to calculate the maximum gyroscopic couple, that would be I omega p. What is omega? You can calculate 2 pi n upon 60 if directly not given. So that is 2 pi, and what is the speed in rpm? That is 2000. upon 60. So from here you will get the value of omega, and it would comes out to be 209.43 radian per second. This is a speed, okay, in radian per second. And what is the moment of inertia? We have not calculated yet. I is equal to mk square. M is 20,000 multiply radius of gyration is 0.75 meter. 0.75 square. So when you solve this, you will get the value of moment of inertia. That would be 11250 kilogram into meter square. So you have to put all these value in the formula, and you will get the value of maximum gyroscopic couple, that is 11250 multiplied 209.43 multiply omega p is 0.054. Okay, so when you solve this, you will get the value. And let me solve this question. You will get 127. I'm 228.72. This is Newton into meter. When you solve this using calculator, you will get this value. You can convert it into kilonewton to meter. So 127.22 kilonewton into meter. That would be the maximum gyroscopical, because in the question it is asking in kilonewton into meter. So I hope you will understand this solution of that question. Thank you.